The world is fast experiencing the technology era. Who knows how many discoveries and inventions have been made until now? How many of these inventions have made a direct contribution to progress and development? How many of them have cleared the way for new eras? We cannot come up with an exact figure in this regard, but there is one thing we can perhaps say for certain. The wheel is one of humankind's most important inventions. Mankind has facilitated transport thanks to the wheel. As transport eased, mankind's dreams also grew. Mankind fanned out over the continents, setting out to discover far-flung places and new horizons. The seemingly inaccessible distances shrank, civilizations were set up, and civilizations got acquainted with one another. And in 1976, Petlas was founded. One of the corporations to have raised our country to the level of modern economies, Petlas manufactured its first tire after an intensive program in 1989 and increased its capacity in the course of time. Winds of change were instantly felt when Petlas started production in 2005 under the helm of Abdülkadir Özcan Inc., or AKO, which is one of Turkey's prominent businesses. Steps were taken in almost all fields, such as production, management policy, research and development, and human resources. Besides tires and inner tubes, Petlas also manufactures 4 aircraft tires in its 200,000 square meter factory located on a 2 million square meter area. With the great importance it attributes to the concept of safe tire, Petlas subjects its products to stringent tests at its Thai Trial Center for compliance with international standards. And to keep stride with the latest advances in technology, Petlas continues working unabated in its research and development laboratories. The ISO 9001 Quality Security System Certificate and the 1999 Industrial Quality Security Level Certificate, which also covered tire designing, are documents registering the conscientious efforts of Petlas for quality. Petlas, which implements the total quality management model in all its units, spreads the philosophy of constant improvement to the entire business with the support of its employees. Petlas tires, which have a share in the markets of more than 70 countries, those in Europe in particular, are strengthening their hold on the global market by fulfilling all the requisites of being an international brand name in line with its visionary approach. Never giving up on its environment policy and relinquishing its mission in this field, Petlas retains its respect for mankind, social life and nature both before and after production. Having adopted and implemented the total quality system in operation and scientific understanding in management, Petlas, mindful of the importance of training and creating a brand name, makes its employees better equipped and skilled through training courses. All this causes Petlas to grab headlines with its achievements and success. Petlas is today one of the few factories using the world's latest state-of-the-art technology with the huge investments it has made. Standing out with its orderliness in delivery, Petlas, owing to its special storage methods and sufficient stocks at all times, meets its customers' requirements in the fastest way possible and under all circumstances. AKO, determined to make the Petlas brand name a deservedly world giant, is already drawing up the investment plans of forthcoming years. Petlas, the manufacturer of the tires of all air defense vehicles, also commands merit with its exports. Petlas manufactures tires for all kinds of vehicles in the international arena, from commercial to agricultural. Petlas is proud and happy of having boosted its exports consistently since 2006. Petlas, owing to its production of tires resistant to extreme temperatures and adverse weather and road conditions, prides itself on being a universal brand name. One of the shining stars of modern Turkey, Petlas also determinedly continues to be one of the country's exemplary investment models. Petlas, which has attained a noteworthy economic might in a short time with its employment, investments, facilities and technology, is proud of its presence on world roads with more confidence.